In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through each step, ensuring clarity and thoroughness. So, let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is access Salesforce. Head over to your web browser and make your way to the Salesforce homepage. This is where your journey begins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. After a successful login, you'll find yourself on the Salesforce dashboard. Think of this as your command center, where everything you need is within reach. It's designed to streamline your workflow and keep everything in one place. Towards the upper side of your screen, you should see a column of various options. What we're interested in today is something marked as Contacts. Go ahead and click on that option. Contacts are truly the heart and soul of your Salesforce system. It's where all your customer information lives, neatly organized and ready for you to engage with. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's essential for managing your communications effectively. If your contacts aren't immediately visible, you might need to tweak your display settings to show your most recently viewed contacts. Once your list appears, take a moment to find the person you want to email. Simply click on their name, which will lead you to their detailed information page. This page offers a comprehensive overview of your contact, which can be handy for personalizing your messages and understanding more about who you're communicating with. On this page, let's keep an eye out for a small email icon. It's usually positioned where you can't miss it, right among the contact's details. By clicking this icon, you'll open up an email composition window, conveniently set up within Salesforce itself. This integration makes it easy to manage your communications without needing to switch between different platforms. And here comes the fun part: crafting your message. Take a moment to think about what you want to express. It might be a friendly check-in, or perhaps some crucial business information. Whatever your message, aim for clarity and brevity. You want to ensure your communication is both effective and efficient, leaving a positive impression with your recipient. Inside this email composition window, you'll have access to all the usual formatting tools. Utilize these features to give your email a professional and polished appearance. Whether you're adjusting the font style or highlighting important points, these tools are there to help you make your message not only informative, but also visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with your message and have double-checked all the details, it's time for the final touch: sending your email. Look around for a button labeled Send. By clicking it, you'll be sending your well-prepared message out into the digital world, destined for your contact's inbox. And just like that, you've successfully sent an email using Salesforce. All in all, sending an email through Salesforce is a straightforward process once you know your way around. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, guiding you through the necessary steps to communicate effectively with your contacts using Salesforce. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, feel free to share it with others who might also benefit from these tips.